In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a 100% save file in World War Z Aftermath. Check my video description for this save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And you just need to open this INK file. This will open this local file path. Open this Saber wwset client storage slots random number. For dropping the slots files, you need to back up your game progress. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder slots and drag and drop the slots file inside and open slots and drag and drop game progress inside this location. Then go back. You need to navigate to this PC, C drive, users, public documents, Steam, Dex, sorry, Run, and this 699130. And before dropping this remote, you need to back up your remote folder. Drag and drop this remote to desktop and drag and drop this 100% save remote to this location and launch the game. And as you can see, the save file is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.